How to make Instagram Reels stop autoplaying. So hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Instagram Reels stop autoplaying. So let me tell you guys, Instagram does not offer a built-in switch to completely disable video autoplay within the app. But however, you can restrict how videos load or use a few effective workarounds to stop them from automatically playing. So the first thing what you can do is enable the data saver. Open your Instagram app, then tap on your profile at the bottom right, then tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner. Now scroll down and then select media quality. Now toggle on the use less cellular data. Now the next thing what you can do is go to your device's settings, which you can only do on your iOS device. Now once you go to your iOS device's settings, scroll down to accessibility, then select motion. Now toggle on the reduce motion. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.